the first thing we're going to do is sign up for a free trial of GoHighLevel. Now, normally, there's only a 14-day free trial when you sign up, but if you click the first link in the description, you'll get our exclusive Medix Media offer, which gives you a full 30-day free trial instead. Once you click that link, you'll join me here on the exclusive sign-up page. When you're ready to get going, click Start an Extended Free Trial. Enter your business details here in Step 1, then click here to go to Step 2. On Step 2, I'd recommend going with the high-level starter plan at $97. That'll give you access to all the core features we'll cover today. You can always upgrade to the unlimited plan later if you need it. Click here to enter your card details, and then click Complete Order to start your 30-day free trial. From there, you'll create your password and complete a short onboarding survey asking about your business, your industry, and how you plan to use GoHighLevel. After that survey, you'll see an option to join a free onboarding call. The GoHighLevel team will actually help you set up the platform for your specific business, so I'd recommend taking advantage of that after this video. After you create your account, you'll land on the Launchpad, which is sort of like an onboarding checklist. You don't need to complete all of these items now, because we'll cover the major features in this tutorial, and you can come back to the Launchpad later. Now, in the top left, you'll see your business name, and this is what's called a sub-account. You can think of the sub-account like a separate profile, and you can have up to 3 of these on the starter plan. One could be for your business, and the others could be for other businesses you run or for helping clients manage theirs. If you ever need to create a new one, switch to Agency View, go to Sub-Accounts, and then you can click Create Sub-Account here and follow the setup. Switch back to your sub-account by selecting it in the top left, and below the Launchpad, the main dashboard here on the left will give you a quick overview of your business, things like your opportunities, tasks, and conversion data. It only shows the sample data right now, but it'll start to fill in as we work through the platform, and you can edit it to your liking once we have your data in.